Hey everyone, welcome back to Kitchen Faucet channel. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe for more home and kitchen product reviews, DIY projects, and interior inspiration. Today, we're looking at a bold and stylish choice, the AIMADI Commercial Gold Kitchen Sink Faucet. I'll walk you through the key features, my experience using it, the installation process, and whether it's worth the investment. Let's dive in. First, let's talk about the design. This AIMADI faucet really makes a statement with its bold, commercial look. It's got that gold finish that adds a luxurious feel, but it's not overly flashy thanks to the brushed texture. The high, coiled spring design gives it an industrial vibe, which can add a modern edge to any kitchen. If you're after something that stands out and breaks away from traditional kitchen styles, this is a great option. Gold kitchen faucet with pull-down sprayer single-handle commercial high-arc single-handle, brushed gold pull-down kitchen sink faucets. Dual spouts brass kitchen faucet of different uses satisfy your specific needs. The high-pressure nozzle provides a powerful, high-volume spray while the other one has a steady stream. You can utilize the buckle lock so you can lock on the spray mode and just focus on what you are washing. Meanwhile, the sprayer's lock design allows you to free your hands when washing dishes. This brass faucet kitchen that features a pull-down function and 360 degrees spout rotation range. Like many of the other kitchen sinks faucet feature, this one also promises quick and unintimidating installation. The single-lever gold kitchen sink faucet function can withstand rough usage through its commercial construction. Easily use the two nozzles to make sure you reach all corners of your sink. AIMADI Gold Kitchen Faucet package includes all necessary hardware and gaskets for the kitchen faucets to save a lot of time under the sink. It's easy to install yourself, no plumber required, saving money and time. If you have any questions about AIMADI Kitchen Faucet Gold, please send us a message via Amazon the first time. We will reply to any questions you have about kitchen sink faucets within 24 hours. Pros and cons. Pros. 1. Striking design. The commercial style spring design and gold finish. 2. Great functionality. High arc, flexible pull-down sprayer, and dual spray. 3. Durability. The brushed finish resists fingerprints and water spots. Cons. 1. Size. The high arc design might not be ideal for small kitchens. 2. Installation clearance. Because of its size, you'll need some clearance. So, is the AIMADI Commercial Gold Kitchen Faucet worth it? I'd say yes. If you're after a faucet that brings style, functionality, and durability to your kitchen, it's on the pricier side, but you're paying for both design and performance. This is a faucet that not only looks great, but is built for real kitchen work. Just make sure you have the space for it. Thanks for tuning in to today's review. If you found this helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more kitchen and home product reviews. Let me know in the comments if you're considering this faucet or if you have any other questions.